beautiful people. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Cosmetips and MAE volume number 2 box. This is actually huge. If you are new here, hello, welcome. I'm Lucy Stephenson, but you can call me Luce because we're all friends here. If you are new, please don't forget to hit subscribe, give this video a thumbs up and turn that notification bell on. I upload on Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays and Sundays. However, recently I have just done ColourPop week, so sometimes I do have like certain series for certain weeks or bonus videos in between. So if you turn the notification bell on, you're going to make sure that you see everything. If you have any questions at all about today's makeup look, it is actually from my ColourPop week using the Mandalorian The Child palette. So if you're interested in this makeup look at all, I will leave the video linked down below showing you how to recreate it. So with today's box, it retails for £110. I believe it is now sold out, and I'm not surprised because I think with her first box it sold out quite quickly, and this is my first one that I've bought that's like a full price one. The only one that I've ever bought from Cosmetips was their half price one before, and the only reason I justified it was the fact that it was half price. This is a lot of money. £110 is a lot of money. It has over £300 worth of product inside though, so let's just get straight into it and see whether I've just wasted my money, whether it was worth it. What I really like about it is obviously they show you what is inside the box to begin with, so you know whether you want to pick up, and I like the fact that they show you it before the product comes out, because sometimes I like to have a think about it first. Is it going to be worth my money and all that kind of good stuff? So they did quite a few different like sneaky previews of it. So obviously you have the little book that tells you what everything is, a bit more information on it, and also tells you how much things are worth as well, which I really like when boxes do that, because it makes you realise how much value you're getting for a box as well. When you open her up, as you can see, she is literally full to the brim. There's no space left. There is so many goodies inside here. If you're interested in the other Cosmetips box that I got that was half price, I will leave my unboxing video for that linked down below as well, just in case you are interested in Cosmetips. Like I said, this is only my second purchase and the first one that I've ever done at full price, because this box just seemed worth it for me. So one of the things that really drew me into this box is this bad boy. This is the Elemis Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. This is the big 100-gram one. I have wanted to try this for so long, and I know it's one of the reasons that Alex, well, it's the main reason as well for Alex getting this box as well. I've heard such good things about this. Is the anti-aging one, and Elemis is so pricey. There's another Elemis product in here as well. Oh my god, so expensive. So this is such a good way of trying it. Don't get me wrong, this box is still expensive, but it's such a good way of trying it. So that cleansing balm itself retails for £44. Actually crazy that that is 100-gram cleansing balm, huge. So that is one of the Elemis products that are in here. The other one that we have is their Pro Collagen Marine Cream. This is the anti-wrinkle day cream for 50 millilitres, so quite, again, obviously a full size one, but quite a decent size as well. If I remember rightly, when I was looking through this is worth like £87, which is just crazy for a cream. Yeah, £87. It's an award-winning anti-aging cream. It's meant to give you the confidence to be able to go makeup-free, super moisturising yet ultra-light gel cream to kind of quench thirsty skin and increases your hydration by up to 248% in 1 hour. £87 though, like it's actually crazy. That's what I mean, like Elemis is so expensive. Like that's £87, that's £44. That's more expensive than the box itself, and we still have a lot to get through. So yeah, actually crazy. Another thing that we got in this box is a MAC lipstick. This one is in the shade Ruby Woo. I already have this, and I think, if I'm honest with you, I can't even remember how much MAC lipsticks retail for. £17.50. When did they go up? Excuse me? Rude. Wow. Okay. So yeah, full size MAC lipstick, £17.50. That's actually crazy. Then we have something from, is it Rodile? Rodile? I don't know. These are the snake jelly eye patches. It says to freeze and smooth. These retail, if I remember rightly, around about £6 for these. I stand corrected, £9, and this is only one sachet. It says the ultimate bougie extra step in my get ready routine. If you keep these eye patches in the fridge, they're amazing at depuffing tired eyes, whether you were going barefaced or whether you're getting ready for a full face of makeup. And she says she always has these on before shooting a YouTube video on set. She must have some money, because I don't have £9 to pay every time that I'm going to film a YouTube video. But I guess obviously you probably won't be doing them as often, but still, £9 for under eye little gel that you literally use once, actually crazy. Another thing that we have, which I am so happy about, is a Fenty Lip Gloss. This one is in the shade Diamond Milk. It's a full size one, and I was really happy because I actually don't have this one in my collection. I thought it was going to be the same as my mini one that I've got here, but this one is confetti. I mean, you can definitely see the difference between the two there. Diamond Milk is clearly like a white colour, whereas confetti has that kind of reflex of pink and purple in it. So I am ridiculously pumped for this, because these are pricey AF, and I've got a full size one. Buzzing. I've got a full size of the normal one as well, but all the rest that I have are minis, but I don't have this shade, which I'm buzzing about. Another thing that I am head over heels over is the fact that there's an Ole Henriksen banana primer in here. I've heard Jimmy Genevieve, really big YouTubers, rave about this. This retails for £28. I've been wanting to try this, and all of the kind of banana range, to be fair, because everyone raved about it. And I know I was watching like Jamie's vlog back in the day when she went on a trip with Ole Henriksen as well. So yeah, this is the Banana Bright Face Primer. So it's meant to instantly illuminate, hydrate and improve foundation wear all day, with vitamin C in it as well. And I would not pay, like, it hurt my heart paying £28 for that. Next up we have a full face palette, a full eye palette, sorry, from Marc Jacobs. I don't own any of their eyeshadow palettes. I really want to try their bronzer as well. But this is the iconic multi-finish eye palette. So she just looks like this. She retails for 40 quid. 40 quid for this eyeshadow palette, and it's got 7 eyeshadows in it. I can't even get it open. These nails are driving me insane. If you watched my other video the other day when I was on about my nail popping off, I've had another one pop off since. And by the time you're watching this video, I'll have a new set of nails on, thank God. Because this nail lady that I went to, first of all, ripped me off and charged me £59 to get my nails done, which is ridiculous. Where I live, like, I'm in the northeast, like, come on. Oh God, and 2 of them have popped off. God, this is bougie to get into. Jesus Christ. Oh my God, she's sleek. Okay, she fancy. Okay. £40 fancy though? Oh, what? Okay, she is fancy. Tell her I don't get high-end makeup very often. Excuse me if you like to focus. Thank you. That's what I paid for you for. Okay, so now it's gone really dark. Who knows what's happening with my lighting? It is driving me insane recently. Okay, that is fancy schmancy. And this is what she looks like. To be fair, the colour scheme is definitely up my street. There's like 4 mattes and 3 shimmers. So nice little variation between mattes and shimmers. This is just what it looks like. Okay, that is bougie. I know it's 40 quid, but that feels bougie. And I'm keeping this little card thing because that was clever. And it just looks so bougie. Oh my God, okay. Oh, it's got a nice click to it as well. You can tell I do not get out often. And that I don't buy high-end makeup often as well. But £40 for that. Absolutely crazy. So obviously that is in the box as well. We also have a full-size Better Than Sex Too Faced mascara. The next one is from a brand that I personally probably wouldn't have ever bought from unless it was like on Beauty Bay or something like that. I don't know if they do it on a kind of big retailer website, but it wouldn't be something that I would personally go on their website specifically to buy and pay postage for. But this is it Refi Brow Sculpt, which I know a lot of people rave about. This one is in the shade Clear, and this retails for £16. It says it allows you to shape and set your hairs in place. It's got a unique formula apparently and versatile applicators which create the perfect brow. Ooh, it has got a little funky applicator actually up here. Okay. So it says, this product has honestly changed my brow game. We are all loving the bushy and natural brows, and this brow sculpt will give you exactly that. Giving you that wake up and go kind of look. We are all about that stripped back brow right now. Yeah, boy. So yeah, 16 quid. Absolutely crazy. And then the last one that we've got is another skincare product, and again, another bougie brand. This is Sunday Riley, and this is their Lunar Sleeping Night Oil. This retails for £45. Actually crazy for some night oil. It says it's the next generation retinoid oil, reduces the appearance of pores and wrinkles whilst fighting the signs of premature aging and surface redness. Okay, so she's put on the little booklet that she's obsessed with. Think about this oil. The packaging is so high end, the quality is so luxurious, and she can honestly say that it got rid of any dry patches. Oh, any dry patches? Okay. Got rid of any dry patches that she had, and it's a final step in her she's put nightmare routine. How has that got through? How has that got through? Nobody like checking that and spell checking it, and it's got printed. That's funny. It says this is a final step in my nightmare skin routine, but it's meant to be nighttime skin routine, and she can't sleep without it. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know what you think. Do you think this box is worth £110? Is it something that you would be interested in getting? If it came back again, then let me know. It takes a lot for me to buy one of these Cosmetips box because they are so pricey, but you do get like triple the price of goods inside, so obviously it is worthwhile, but it's just a big amount to pay out compared to like a glossy box or a Look Fantastic box or Latest in Beauty box as well. So obviously I do bear in mind that obviously this isn't going to be to everyone's price point as well, but hey ho. Definitely wasn't in my price point many years ago, and again, like I said, I've done it on PayPal, paying 3 just to break up the payments a little bit more. I'm gonna be totally honest with you, like I ain't this big baller. I ain't somebody who's got loads of money. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you to my patrons for giving me so much support. I love yous all so much. If you want to join my exclusive Patreon community, it starts as little as £1 a month, and I'd love for you to be a part of it. I'll leave all the information linked down below, a link on how to join, and also a video explaining it all as well. But yeah, love you so much, and I'll hopefully will see you in my next video. Bye.